Ever wished you could have a conversation with a robot that doesn't just beep and boop back at you? Well, what if I told you that the future is here, and it's chatty? Welcome, internet travelers. Today, we're diving into the marvelous world of ChatGPT, a place where AI doesn't just understand you, it might just outwit you. Once upon a time, AI was like that one friend who only talks about the weather. Useful, but not exactly thrilling. Enter ChatGPT. Developed by the brilliant minds at OpenAI, ChatGPT is like the superhero of conversational AI. Faster than a speeding algorithm, more powerful than a server farm, and able to leap vast datasets in a single bound. But wait, how do you talk to an AI without causing a technological existential crisis? Fear not. It's all about the prompts. Think of prompts as your way of whispering sweet nothings into the AI's, circuits. Let's play a game. I'll show you a prompt, and you tell me if it's hot or not. Tell me about stuff. Vague alert. The AI's confused, and so are we. Explain the theory of relativity in simple terms. Now we're talking. Ready to become a prompt pro? Let's add some style, tone, and context. Say you want a bedtime story for your cat. Yes, your cat deserves stories. Basic prompt. Tell a story. Leveled up prompt. Write a short, whimsical bedtime story about a brave cat who explores the moon. See the difference? Now the AI spins a tale that's the cat's pajamas. Chapter 4. ChatGPT in Everyday Life. Let's bring it home. How can ChatGPT make you the superhero of your office, school, or Dungeons & Dragons campaign? Overwhelmed by reports? Ask ChatGPT to summarize those hefty documents. Struggling with an essay? Get brainstorming ideas faster than you can say procrastination. Got writer's block? ChatGPT to the rescue. Together, you'll craft stories that even your grandma will think are classics. Chapter 6. The Do's and Don'ts. Before you become an AI whisperer, let's talk ethics. Because with great power comes, you know the rest. Don't ask for illegal or harmful content. Don't share personal secrets. The internet has eyes and ears and probably a few noses. Do be respectful and considerate. Do double-check information. Even AI can have an off day. Remember, ChatGPT is like that super smart friend who occasionally thinks the Earth is flat. Always good to verify. Chapter 6. The future is chatty. Imagine a world where AI not only helps you write emails, but composes your wedding speech, negotiates your bills, or even debates the best pizza toppings. Disembodied voice, AI. Pineapple belongs on pizza. Okay, maybe not perfect yet. Chapter 7. Join the conversation. So, are you ready to become the ultimate AI conversationalist? Whether you're looking to boost productivity, unleash your creativity, or just have a chat at 3 a.m. when everyone's asleep, ChatGPT is your go-to buddy. Thanks for joining me on this wild ride through the world of ChatGPT. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Or better yet, ask ChatGPT to remind you? Winks. Drop a comment below with the first question you'll ask ChatGPT. Until next time, keep those conversations flowing. Sitting at a desk late at night. Hey ChatGPT, any ideas for signing off in style? ChatGPT replied, how about a joke? Why did the AI cross the road? Because it was programmed by the chicken. Well, you get the drift.